Hello students, how are you? Again, welcome to my class. Now, today's our topic is prime numbers. What is the prime number? A number which has only two factors is called a prime numbers. A number which has only two factors is called a prime numbers. For example, suppose you want to find out the factors of 2. Factors of 2 is first factor is 1 and second factor is 2. As you know very well, 1 is the factor of every number. Factors of 2 will be first factor is 1 and second factor is itself, that is 2. So 2 is the prime number. You want to find out the factors of 5. Factors of 5 is first factor is 1 and second factor is 5, that is itself. Again, for example, factors of 11 is 1 and 11. Factors of 23 is 1 and 23. Factors of 29 is 1 and 29. So, all these examples, what you are looking, first factor is 1. First factor is 1 and second factor is itself. Okay. So, these type of numbers are called prime number. Now, we will discuss about how many prime numbers between 1 and 100. How many prime numbers between 1 and 100. Now we will discuss. As you know very well, natural number is starting from 1. Natural numbers is starting from 1. So please keep in mind 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Please keep in mind 1 is neither prime nor composite numbers. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Then after, there are many other prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, then after 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 79, 83, 89, 97. So these are prime numbers between 1 and 100. Again I will explain how many prime numbers between 1 and 100. So look here, 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. There are many other prime number starting from 2. First prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. All these are prime numbers between 1 and 100. What is the composite numbers? A number which has more than 2 factors is called a composite numbers. A number which has more than 2 factors is called a composite numbers. For example, suppose you want to find out the factors of 4. Factors of 4. 4 is composite number. So first factor is 1, second factor is 2 and third factor is itself. That is 4. 4 is composite number. 4 is composite number. That's why it has more than 2 factor. Okay. Then after, for example, suppose you want to find out the factor of 9. Factors of 9 is, first factor is 1, second factor is 3 and third factor is 9. 9 is composite number. 9 is composite number. That's why it has more than 2 factor. In other example, suppose you want to find out factors of 20. Factors of 20 is, first factor is 1, second factor is 2, then after 4, 5, 10 and 20. Okay. Factors of 20 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. All these are factors of 20. So, my dear students, there are many composite numbers. There are many composite numbers between 1 and 100. For example, there are many composite number which has more than 2 factor. For example, examples of composite numbers are examples of composite numbers are, examples of composite numbers are 4, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, then after 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 35 is also a composite number, 38, 39, 40 and so on. So my dear students, there are many composite numbers. My dear student, then after we will discuss about some problems from exercise 3.2. Let us we will discuss about question number 3. What is your question number 3? The numbers 13 and 31. The numbers 13 and 31 are prime number. Both these numbers have same digits 1 and 3. Find such pairs of prime numbers up to 100. Now my dear student, question is saying, this is question number 3. Question is saying there are two numbers 13 and 31. Question is saying 13 and 31 is prime number. 13 and 31 is prime number. In these two prime number, what you are looking, digits are same. Digits are same. So according to this type of number, we will search any other prime number. So answer will be 17, 71, 37, 73, 79 and 97. Okay, as you are looking, in 17 is prime number, 71 is prime number. In these two prime number, digits are same, that is 7 and 1. In prime number 37 and 73, digits are same, 7 and 3. In prime numbers 79 and 97, digits are same, that is 7 and 9. So this is the answer of question number 3. Okay. Now we will discuss about question number 4. Write down separately the prime number and composite number less than 20. In question number 4, first we will find out prime number less than 20. Answer is prime numbers less than 20 is, prime numbers less than 20 is, first prime number is 2, then 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay. Prime numbers less than 20 is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. All these prime numbers less than 20. Okay. Then after we will discuss about composite number less than 20 is composite number Composite numbers less than 20 is composite numbers less than 20 is 4, then after 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18. Okay. Composite number less than 20 is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18. Okay. Now in question number 5, what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? What is the greatest prime numbers between 1 and 10? My dear student, answer of question number 5 is what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? Answer is 7. 7 is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10. Okay. 7 is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10. There are some prime numbers. Okay. By the help of these prime numbers, we can find out the answer of the following question. As you are looking in question number 6, express the following as the sum of two odd prime. Question number 6 is express the following as the sum of two odd prime. Please look here. In all these prime number, only 2 is even. Only 2 is even prime number and other prime numbers are odd. Please keep in mind 2 is only even prime number. Please keep in mind 2 is only even prime. 2 is only even prime number and other prime numbers are odd. Okay. In question number 6, express the following as the sum of two odd prime. Question number 6a. This is 44. So express the 44 as the sum of two odd prime. By the help of these prime numbers, we can take out the answer easily. So look here, 44, you can write the sum of two odd prime. So what will be answer? 3 and 43, 3 and 41, 41 plus 3, 41 is odd prime number and 3 is odd prime number. 41 plus 3 is equal to 44. Okay. Then after B, 36. What will you write? 36 as the sum of two odd prime. 17 plus 19. 17 plus 19 is equal to 36. 36 is the sum of two odd prime. Then after 6th C, 24. 24 you can write 11 plus 13. 11 plus 13 is 24. Okay. Then after 6th D, 18. 18 you can write 7 plus 11. 7 plus 11 it will give to you 18. 18 is the sum of two odd prime. Okay. This is the required answer for question number 6. Now in question number 7, give three pair of prime number whose difference is 2. Give three pairs of prime number whose difference is 2. So in question number 7 we can find out in which two prime number difference is 2. So there are many prime numbers whose difference is 2. For example, 5 and 7. 5 and 7. This is the first pair. That means 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 11 and 13. 11 and 13. Difference is 13 minus 11 is equal to 2. Other pairs are 17 and 19. 17 and 19. Difference 19 minus 7 is equal to 2. Other pairs are 29 and 31. 31 minus 29 is equal to 2. Okay. So my dear student, as you are looking, first pair is 5 and 7. Difference of these two numbers is 2. Second pair is 11 and 13. Difference of these two numbers are 2. Third pair is 17 and 19. Difference of these two numbers are 2. 29 and 31. Difference of these two prime numbers are 2. Your question number 10 is express each of the following number as the sum of three odd prime. First is 21. 10th is 21. In this question, what will you get? The sum of three odd prime number is 21. So, by the help of these prime numbers, we can take out the answer. The sum of three odd prime number is 21. So, look here. 3 plus 7 plus 11. 3 plus 7 plus 11. After adding, you will get 21. This is your required answer. Now, in 10th B, 31. 31 is the sum of which three odd prime? Look here. 7, 11 and 13. 7 plus 11 plus 13. 7 plus 11 plus 13, it will give to you 31. Okay. Then after 10th C, 53. 53 is the sum of three odd prime. What are these? Look here. 13, 17 and 23. 13 plus 17 plus 23. 13 plus 17, 30. 30 plus 23, it will give to you 53. Okay. Then after 61. 61 is the sum of 3 odd prime. What are these? What are these? Look here. 13, 17 and 31. 13 plus 17 plus 31. 13 plus 17 plus 31. It will give to you 61. 13 plus 17 plus 31, it will give to you 61. Okay. Now in question number 11, write 5 pairs of prime number less than 20. Write 5 pairs of prime number less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. So answer of question number 11 is write 5 pair of prime number less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Look here, suppose 3 and 7. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 10 is divisible by 5. Again 7 and 13. 7 and 13. 7 plus 13, it will give to you 20. 7 plus 13, it will give to you 20. 20 is less than 20 is divisible by 5. 7 plus 13 is equal to 20 and 20 is divisible by 5. Okay. Other number is 13 plus 17. 13 is less than 20. 17 is less than 20. 13 plus 17 is equal to 30. And 30 is divisible by 5. Okay. Then after 3 and 17, 3 plus 17 is equal to 20. 3 plus 17 is equal to 20. 20 is divisible by 5. Okay. Then after your next pair is 2 and 13. 2 and 13. 2 plus 13 is equal to 15. 2 plus 13 is equal to 15 and 15 is divisible by 5. So my dear student, this is the required answer of question number 11. My dear student, all these questions depend on your book from exercise 3.2. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.